Hi, welcome back. So in the main video we had a walk around of Paul's beautiful 1968 Australian Cooper S. A really lovely car, and it's been a really fantastic to just walk around and see all the little details that the Australian Minis had, which we never received here in the UK for some weird reason. Now Paul also has some other really special cars in here, and yeah, we'll take a wee quick walk around and we'll just see what he has. Okay, so we'll start with this beautiful Mk1 Cooper S, Morris Cooper S, in Old English white with black. Look at those 3.5-inch wheels, standard wheel. Again, in absolutely beautiful condition. Just look at the interior here. We open the door, we've got these lovely recliners, high back recliners. I think these are an option from the Cooper S's at this age. Just look at the interior of this car. Beautiful car. It's got that 120 speedo. We've got the chrome gear stick as well, and that absolutely gorgeous gold brocade interior. Really lovely, and obviously we've got the matching gold brocade door cards there as well. This is a show winning car. It's won a lot of shows. Incidentally, it is a Beauty winner, Beauty trophy winner as well. So yeah, that's a really lovely car, and yeah, it's amazing to see that here in Paul's collection. And it's a Northern Ireland car originally as well, so great to see. Okay, next up we have this Mk2 Cooper S, Austin Cooper S. It's a 69, and Paul's just recently fitted Dunlop D1s, which I think really suited right down to the ground. Again, white seems to be a common theme here in Paul's collection. Snowberry white in this case with black. And again, if we just look at this amazing seat. How fantastic is that? Restall replica from Nippy Cars. And yeah, I really think a pair of those would look amazing in the Traveller. I'll have to try them on for size later. Again, the Mk2's a lot plainer than the Mk1's with all black interior. Again, another beautiful car in Paul's collection. Yeah, another really nice one to have. Okay, and then beside the Mk2, we have another Mk1. This one a little bit different. Originally an American car. And as you can see here, left-hand drive. Very original car, original carpets and everything in this car. And look at that rev counter. Never seen that in a Mini before. Very nice. Actually, incidentally, the arrangement here for the dipper, obviously in the UK we dip with our left foot, so obviously you have to move it for the left-hand drive cars. So again, very lovely, very original car. Paul was telling me this is originally a Wisconsin car, which would have very bad winters, but obviously cars being well preserved, put away for the winters, has probably never seen any bad weather. Look at those all red export tail lights. Very nice. Obviously the car has had maybe a little shunt at one point, and the rear hasn't been matched in correctly, but the rest of the paintwork is all original. Yeah, so it has been slightly customized. The bonnet stripes, they've all been painted on, and with even the covers on the grills on the spot lamps as well. Oh, just a lovely original car. Nice one to have. Now, the last Mini that I want to show here has a really interesting history. As well, you can see here in the background there is a late model Rover Sports Pack. That again is a one-owner car from new, as a friend of Paul's bought the car new from Charleshurst Rover. So yeah, that's a very original car, very low mileage car as well. So yeah, Paul hopefully we'll put that car back on the road at some point. But this is also an American car, California car, I believe. Again, it's left-hand drive, as you can see, and it is a very, very original car. Has never had really any bodywork. Is really, really clean, but it has had a little bit of a life. As we'll spin the camera around and we'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Mk1 Austin Cooper S. It is in Old English white with a black top, and just a quick walk around. It is in surprisingly clean condition. Yes, it is a little bit dirty, but I mean, it is rust free for the most part. Anything surface, there's no rot in this car, and it's very, very original. At the paintwork, a lot of cracks in the paint, a lot of patina going on here, and crazing and bits flaking off, but all in all, a very, very original car. There were alloy cosmic arches fitted. Paul has them removed at the minute. Whether or not they'll be replaced or refitted is still open for debate. And he's actually just fitted these lovely rose petals. Again, lovely wheel, and I think suits the style of this car right down to the ground. Yes, the car has had a little bit of damage over the years, and you can see a few dents in the bumper, a few things there. The front valance has been cut away in that corner, possibly maybe through some accident damage, because as you will see, the car has had some motorsport life as background. That set up bucket seats, the harnesses. Now these are actually car robe seat covers as well. Paul recently fitted the matching headrests. Absolutely fantastic period correct in here, and just look at that interior. Is so nice. That sporty steering wheel as well. On the brocade interior. Obviously the original red and brocade would be under these seat covers, but again, just an absolutely beautiful car. Which is, it's just strange to say with the fact it's really dirty, but amazing to have. And that Paul is going to keep it like this. It's going to be a car to be used. It's not a show car by any means. Has those lovely export taillights again. And there's the arrangement on the flap. Obviously this was lowered to allow the American number plate to fit as well. So yeah, it's just a lovely, well patinized car to have in the collection as well. And of course he's not even going to wash it. Maybe the only washing this car will get if it ever gets caught in a rainstorm. But yeah, like, isn't that an absolutely amazing collection? Oh, and a funny story about this car. So when Paul brought the car in and he was given the car a once over, he actually found a mummified rat in the boot of the car, and which is actually very fitting for the kind of rat look of this car. So yeah, very, very fitting, and funny story for the share as well. So in the car's history, but yeah, something very cool. So yeah, I really just want to take this opportunity again to thank Paul so much for allowing us access to his collection and letting us to film here. Look at the amazing collection here. It's just a sea of Cooper S's, all in white, the white and the black. I think it's totally timeless as well, whether it's in the Old English white or in the Snowberry white with the black top on it. It's just one of the best colour schemes there is in a Mini. But for me, yeah, the jewel has to be that Australian Cooper S with that burgundy roof. Just so unique, and yeah, just have the opportunity to have a proper walk around and to film that car has been fantastic. So thanks again, Paul, for allowing me the opportunity. And oh yeah, check out the Monte Carlo Rally start sign that he got made up as well. So that's really cool having the garage here as well. But so yeah, thanks again for watching. There's a little bit of bonus material for you after the main video, and yeah, we'll see you very soon.